What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to recover your Discord account without 2FA. So this one is pretty easy. So let's get it started. So first of all, go to the Discord website right here. And when you're on the website, just click support right here on the top side. And it will redirect you to this page. Then after that, just click the submit a request button right here and it will redirect you to this page. So now you can identify your health, your issues. So I'm going to choose hack account. Also, we will need to provide your email address. And after that, you can also provide your username as long as your Discord tag on your account. Also, you will need to provide the email associated in your account before it was hacked or compromised. Then after you click that, just choose the reason of your account being hacked. Then you can also, you know, click this. No, did you receive or are you able to log in? Just click no. And you was 2FA is enabled. Just click no. Then right there you can provide a subject of your request. You can share the description, how it was hacked and the other information. You can also attach attachments or pictures the proof that your account is being hacked, and after that just click submit and that's it. You already have your request and you will need to wait for 1 day until the support accept your request, and that's it. That's how you do it. And also that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.